In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stop and limit orders in Trading212. This is an essential skill for any trader looking to effectively manage their buy and sell transactions within the platform. So let's dive in and make sure you understand each step clearly. First, you'll want to open up Trading212 and select the stock or asset that you're interested in trading. This is your starting point, and it's important to have the specific asset in mind before proceeding. Once you've made your choice, you're ready to take the next step. Now, look for the buttons that say buy or sell. Depending on whether you wish to purchase or unload an asset, you'll tap the respective button. This action will lead you into the order placement process, where the real decision-making happens. Next, you'll need to focus on the order type. You'll see an option called Order Type, and here is where you have the chance to choose between a stop or limit order. Let's pause for a second and understand the difference. A stop order allows you to set a price at which your order becomes a market order. This is useful if you want the trade to execute only when it hits a price you've predetermined. On the other hand, a limit order ensures that your asset is only bought or sold at a specified price or better, making it an excellent option if you have a target price in mind. After selecting either stop or limit, the next thing you need to do is enter your price level and the quantity of stocks or units you wish to trade. Be precise here, as these numbers will determine exactly when and how your trade will go through. It's a critical part of the process that ensures your trading meets your specific conditions. The following step is more about risk management. You might want to add a stop loss or take profit level. This is optional but highly recommended as it protects your investment by automatically selling once a certain loss threshold or profit target is hit. It's always wise to consider setting these limits to prevent unexpected outcomes. Finally, review all the details you've entered, and once you're satisfied, confirm your order. At this point, your order is ready to be executed, but remember, it will only trigger when the price hits your set parameters. This ensures that your trades are processed under the conditions you've determined, giving you greater control over your trading strategy. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using stop and limit orders on Trading212. By following these instructions, you'll be able to automate part of your trading strategy, potentially leading to more successful trades. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.